On the mini bike after the mini bike race on the Gambler 500 a couple weekends ago. Just figured I'd make a little short clip of how roached out it really got on 5 laps in that dust.
Hope it don't start an 850 acre fire.
It's gonna be a dud.
Holy shit! Oh, that's a firecracker.
Oh yeah, just like your crackle.
Devin, look for my foot peg!
Alright, Putt-Putt's going for the record here.
Alrighty. She's a little dirty. Tires held up pretty good though. These are SUNF, Sunf, like golf cart tires. They were the best ones I could find that had some sidewall to it so you can corner, which you can't really corner well on a mini bike. So, whatever. I put some regular dirt bike handlebars on it, which, oh my gosh, makes the world of difference for handling. So it's still got all the stock electronics and I bent the lever, but that's about it. I want to find a nice gas tank for this right here. But I think the biggest problem that I had is I didn't anticipate all the dust. I should not have ran this off-brand K&N paper filter. Those are not known. Oh, look at that. I didn't even know about that. Well, that'll be a reason right there while my engine is clapped out. Check this out. Oof. Yikes, my guys. Oof. Time for a rebuild on this motor. It's quite a bit done to this motor. See, I got a billet flywheel, billet connecting rod. I got a cam in it, valves, extensive porting, deck to head. It's got a torque converter with the juggernaut clutch, I think it's 24 millimeter Mikuni flat side, or 26, something like that. I don't really remember. I added the little clear valve cover just because I thought it was cool. That's about it. Broke the exhaust mount. You see all this oil everywhere? You can just tell, like, everything back here is caked with oil. I had a lot of blow by. Obviously it's getting clapped out. A lot of blow by, and it's just pumping oil out of the breather. This was actually a fun one too. This about eat your leg. You can ask my buddy Zach about that one. He enjoyed it. He was wearing shorts. We took this thing for a testy. Well, anyways, that's about it. I just wanted to do an update about how roached out the mini bike was. So, oh yeah, I won the race, by the way. And Poseidus, our gambler car, did not break down. So that's good. Anyway, see you guys at Super Soft.